Want to cash in on thousands of dollars without any hassle? So you click on the right video. In the video, we'll guide how to run LoFi YouTube channel using AI and earn money quickly. Before we get started, take a quick look at this channel. It's got over 14 million subscribers, and one of its top videos is almost at 100 million views. Most of their videos have over 10 million views too. But guess what? There are loads of other channels like this, all doing the same thing, posting simple LoFi beats with a basic background. Let's find out how they've managed to grab millions of viewers with such simple stuff. In the video, we'll guide from how create LoFi beats, create a YouTube channel, how make a final video of LoFi beats, lastly how upload. Yes, in the end, I'll share a secret tip, how to get quickly views and subscriber to able to monetize. Don't skip any part of the video to learn properly. Let's dive in. First of all, let's create some LoFi beats. To create LoFi beats, I will use an AI tool, Nubert. It's a music creator AI tool. First registered or logged in on this site, now enter a prompt. So I simply type LoFi track, then choose a track like I select loop. Next, set a duration for how much you want. Here you can select genres, modes, and activities from here. Let's start with genres. All kinds of music genres are available here. You can choose anyone. I will choose ambient. Next, in the moods, I select happy. In the next option, you have to select activities. For example, I want to generate nature or happy beats, so I'm selecting a beauty. Once all is done, then click on the Generate Track button from. Now, Nubert will take some time to generate the music. Once generated here, click on Download icon, and your video will be added in Download. You can play your music. I think it's a piece of perfect nature and satisfying music. I loved this track. Now to save the track on your device, click on the download icon from here. Here you need to paste your YouTube channel link to solve the copyright issue. You should enter the channel URL, where you will upload the music. If you don't have a YouTube channel and are not familiar with creating a professional channel, let's learn how to create. If you already have a channel or are familiar with creating a new one, then you can skip this part. Alright, after coming to YouTube, sign up with a Google or Gmail account. Now we have to enter our channel name and YouTube handle unique name. If you already have a name on your mind, then it's great. Otherwise, you can take the help of ChatGPT for name suggestions. Like here, I ask from ChatGPT to suggest name for my channel. Make sure explain your channel type or niche. So choose one of the suggested names and enter in the channel name. Now to customize more, we need channel logo and cover banner. Let's learn how we can make it easily. To do this, I will use Canva. After logging in with your Canva account, here type logos, and will be populated with all logos. Select one of you like to customize, and then here customized according to your channel. You have a lot of ability to customize. Once ready, click on the share button located top right corner and download the logo. Now it's time to create a channel banner. Come to the Canva homepage again and click on Create a Design. Search for a YouTube channel banner. This time, I will use a pre-made template and then customize it. You can make your own, but I'll suggest please choose one from templates for quickly creation. After selecting your design, add the channel name, then customize the color and font if desired. After all is set, download the image. So now we have the logo and cover of the channel. Now let's customize the newly created YouTube channel. From here, indicate the Basic Info tab. Now we have to add a channel description. I will ask ChatGPT to write a channel description for me. After generating the channel description, just copy and paste it into YouTube. Now come to the Branding tab. In this tab, we can add or update our channel logo and banner. First, come to the picture option and click on the upload button from here. Now upload the logo image. Next, upload the banner image. After uploading the banner image, upload the logo image as the watermark image. After all is set, click on the Publish button to publish our new channel. After publishing the channel, copy the channel link and then paste it into the Nubert. After that, click on the Continue button. Now click on Agree and Download. Your music track will be downloaded on your device automatically. Our music track has been downloaded. Alright, our channel and music are ready. Now we need to make a video for this music. First, we need an image and videos. You can generate an image with any kind of image generator. I will use Leonardo AI because it's free. In Leonardo AI, enter your prompt here. If you are not so good at prompts, you can generate prompts with the prompt generation tool. Click on the prompt generation tab from here, and then Leonardo will generate some prompts for you. Now, you have to just select one prompt, and then hit the generate button. If you don't like the image, you can generate it with another prompt. You can edit the prompt. Once you are satisfied with your image, download the image. Let's discover one more site, which is Pexel. Here have copyright-free photos and videos, so download according to your need. Now, our images and videos are ready. It's time to make a video from these images. For creating the video, now use any editor for editing video. So I'm using a CapCut because it's free and easy to use. Once you are on the CapCut, click on Create New Project. Now import all images and videos. After uploading the files, drag and drop into the timeline. Adjust according to what you desire, and then add audio. Now you can add an effect to make the video stunning. Now it's looking like a perfect natural feel video. After all is set, export the video and then download it on your device. Now our music video is ready. We can upload it on our channel. Upload the video with a proper name, description, and tags. Don't forget to add an eye-catching thumbnail. Alright, our video has been uploaded. Now let's talk about how you can get quick success on YouTube. You may notice that live music gets huge views and watch time. You can quickly achieve your success by going live. Many platforms like OBS Studio and StreamYard support live streaming services on YouTube. Now let's talk about the second method. Never make a video with single music. Make a long video around 2 or 3 hours. You can notice all of the videos on this channel are longer than ours. Loved what you just watched? Make sure to show your appreciation by hitting the like button and subscribing for more content. Your engagement means the world to us. See you soon, and keep exploring your creative side hustle.